Champions Trophy 2025, India versus Pakistan. Tickets were sold out in minutes. Tickets for a highly anticipated clash between arch rivals India and Pakistan in Dubai were snapped up within minutes on going on sale on Monday. The rush was so intense that over 150,000 eager fans queued online, causing waiting times to exceed an hour. Let's see what a fan had to say. Sudhashri, a Dubai resident, said, "I anticipated a long queue, but the speed at which tickets vanished was shocking. By the time I secured my place, only 2 categories remained, both beyond my budget." Fans patiently waited for the India vs Pakistan ticket, which got sold out across nearly all categories, including the DH 2000 Platinum and DH 5000 Grand Lounge sections. With Dubai International Cricket Stadium accommodating 25,000 spectators, the race for the highly anticipated match saw immense popularity. Now, it's no surprise as India vs Pakistan has always been an intense rivalry which has kept fans on their edge of the seat, and this time it's no different. With that, the industry experts expect high increase in tourism, hospitality, travel, and even in hotel bookings and flight tickets. Let's see the Champions Trophy 2025 8 teams participating: India, Australia, England, New Zealand, the host Pakistan, Bangladesh, Afghanistan, South Africa. As Pakistan is hosting the Champions Trophy 2025, if you remember last year in November, BCCI strictly said that Indian cricket team won't travel to Pakistan for the tournament as citing security concerns. Now, if you see, last time when India travelled to Pakistan was in 2008 for an Asia Cup match against Sri Lanka for a final. Now, seeing that ICC decided to play the ICC Champions Trophy 2025 in a hybrid model where Pakistan will host most of the matches in Lahore, Rawalpindi and Karachi, while India will play its matches at a neutral venue in Dubai. A semi-final will be played in Dubai. With that, if India qualifies for the final will also move to Lahore, move from Lahore to Dubai. Now, the highly anticipated match between India and Pakistan will be played on 23rd February, though India will begin its campaign against Bangladesh on 20th Feb, and the third and final group stage match will be played against New Zealand on 2nd March. Seeing that the Champions Trophy 2025 is played in 2 weeks with 15 matches played in 19 days, so the teams have been divided into 2 groups. Group A includes Bangladesh, India, Pakistan and New Zealand. Group B includes Afghanistan, England, Australia and South Africa. The host Pakistan are the defending champions as they won the Champions Trophy in 2017 in England, and Pakistan will begin its campaign against New Zealand in Karachi on February 19 for the ICC Champions Trophy 2025. Now, last time Pakistan hosted an ICC event was in 1996 where they hosted the Men's ODI World Cup. Moving on to the Champions Trophy, the 2 teams, India and Australia, are the 2 most successful sides as they have won 2 times each. India have won it in 2002 and 2013, while Australia have won it in 2006 and 2009. Who will win the Champions Trophy, ICC Champions Trophy 2025? Only time will tell. Coming back to the topic, congratulations to the ones who grabbed their tickets for the India vs Pakistan, and do comment, did you get your India vs Pakistan ticket or not? Until then, stay tuned and don't forget to like, share and subscribe Cricket Next for more cricket updates.